G'day. This video is all about how to build a wood-fired pizza oven. The one behind me here is from the Sydney Fire Brick Company, and this video will take you step by step on what's involved in making it happen. But please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Cheers, thanks. We went for the Calabrese 800 Neo. Thought it was a real sleek design. Here are the dimensions of it, and it's quite a good size. It fits 3 pizzas quite well, so that's a good one to go for. First start by putting foil on top of the Hebel. This stops moisture getting in. The company provides this heat shielding padding which you put on top of the foil. Then you put the bricks on top which are pre-cut by the company in the shape of the pizza oven. Once you've got the floor in place, you want to get rid of the excess heat padding around the base. So using a multi-tool is a good way to go to do that. The concrete pizza casing comes in one piece, or you can ask them to cut it in two, because it's really hard to lift. You really need a crane if it's one piece. If it's 2 pieces, it can be lifted by 2 blokes. Having the pre-manufactured steel frame is a really good way to go as well. Place heaps of foil on top of the concrete casing. This really stops the water from getting in. Put plenty on and don't be shy. So the chicken wire's on now. Hey Ruby. You there? I've wrapped it in, just doing the video. Happens to my garden over there. Just wrapped it all in chicken wire. Ready to go to the next stage. The chicken wire keeps the foil in place and allows something for the mortar to adhere to. Make sure you secure with wire on top of the chicken wire to keep it all nice and tight and bedded down. Sand and cement mix, and don't forget the builder's clay to be added. Hey! Bit of fun.
I look like I'm doing the important stuff, you know.
Yeah, sign your name in it
You
again.
just got involved with the video.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Otherwise I wasn't doing it.
Oh,
That's finishing off the render. The first render card, hey Anna?
Yep, this is fun.
Start to look like a pizza oven now. Just got to give that an hour to dry, and then we put the second one on. That was the first coat on it. Pretty good. One more layer of sand and cement, and that should be it. That's with the final coat on. Hey Anna?
Yeah.
Anna's measuring this timber over there. That's the final coat, and we just got to get a damp sponge when that's touch dry, just to roughen it up a bit. It'll look good.
There you go.
So we're doing roughing in a circular, what do you call it, roughing in? A circular motion on the pizza oven. What do you call this?
You're not roughing it in, you're just
We're just putting a
putting
nice,
circular motion pattern on there, yeah.
nice pattern on that. Are you still filming?
Yes. I think that's crooked.
to be working. Is it like a nice finish?
Rustic.
Rustic. So that's the completion with the sponge. Got a nice finish. And the next phase now complete. Looking pretty good, I think. I don't know what you reckon. I think it's pretty good. Now I've got to let that dry for 24 hours and then we start the putting the heat beads in there to get all the moisture out. That's next. Yeah, so we're just putting these timbers in. Finish off the oven. That's where the wood's going to sit. Got a whole heap to do. It's going to be on the sides and around the edges there. And we're just drilling the miter holes, or the holes for the countersinking, we should say. We're just curing the oven, so it has to be at 100 degrees. But the holes are there, and I've just put them in. At 100, 150 degrees. It's going to be like that for 24, 48 hours. So that's the progress so far. The bottom down, just doing the sides now. So yeah, a bit more to go. Getting there with our the timber work. A little bit more to go. I'm going to tidy up the top as well, but just got to finish that side down the bottom. And at the top we're going to put some skirts around the side and some tiles. Looking good, I think. Finish the timber work. Some timber in there. The fire. Cut that up a bit too. But yeah, just that's the side. It's a nice little wood box now. Keep the timber dry. We put heat beads in there to dry it out, to get the water moisture out, but then subsequently put a fire in to completely dry it out. We also put a couple of coats of Bondcrete to ensure that the cement was sealed from water. And of course, our first pizza in the oven.